In today's video, I am going to teach you how to calculate overtime pay in Excel. To get started, go to your worksheet and find cell C2, which will be your overtime column. This is where Excel will calculate how many overtime hours were worked for the value on the same row. The idea here is simple. If the hours in cell B2 are more than 8, Excel will return only the amount over 8. If the value is 8 or less, Excel will return 0, which means there was no overtime. Click directly into cell C2 so it is active and ready for a formula. Then type the following formula exactly as shown. Equals if open parenthesis B2 greater than 8, B2 minus 8, 0, close parenthesis. Written out in Excel, that formula is equal sign if B2 8, B2 minus 8, 0. After you enter it, press enter on your keyboard. At that point, Excel will calculate the overtime for that row automatically. This formula works by testing the value in B2 first. If B2 is greater than 8, it subtracts 8 and returns only the extra hours. If B2 is not greater than 8, it returns 0 instead. That makes it a clean and reliable way to separate regular hours from overtime hours. Once the formula is working in C2, you can apply it to the rest of your overtime column. Move your cursor to the bottom right corner of cell C2 until you see the small fill handle. Then click and drag that corner downward through the rest of the rows in your column. Excel will copy the formula down and automatically adjust each row reference for you. This is helpful because you do not need to retype the formula again and again for every employee or every date in your sheet. Each row will calculate based on its own value in column B, saving time and reducing the chance of manual errors. As a quick tip, after dragging the formula down, it is a good idea to scan a few cells and make sure the results look correct. Rows with 8 hours or less should show 0, and rows above 8 should show only the extra amount. That covers everything you need to know.